Hello students, good morning. Welcome to your science class now. Students, already I have explained you the chapter 13 different types of houses. Today we will practice the exercises given in the textbook. So students, you take out your book, turn to page number 61. Open your book and turn to page number 61. Okay? Today we will practice exercises. Before writing anything, you must write the date and the classwork. What is the date? Date is 0601 2021 6/1/2021. Okay? Now see A. Tick the correct answer. This is MCQ having options and you have to find out the correct options. You have to find out the correct one, correct answer. So A is tick the correct answer. 1. The house made on wooden poles is called the options are a tent, B, houseboat, C, stilt house. The answer is stilt house. Put a tick mark on C, stilt house. Now 2. Nomads live in, the options are A, flats, B, igloos, C, will caravans. What is the answer? What is the correct answer? Correct answer is C, will caravans. Nomads live in will caravans. And the first one is the house made on wooden poles is called a stilt house. Okay? Now come on to B. Complete the sentence with the help of the words given below. Filling the blanks. Okay? Before filling, what you have to do? First you have to read the options. In the box it is given temporary, tents, permanent, houseboat. One is a house that cannot be moved from place to place is called a dash house. What will be the answer? Permanent house, because see in the sentence what is given, a house that cannot move. Which house cannot move? Permanent house cannot move. Permanent house is fixed in a place. Okay, so it is called permanent house. A house that cannot move from place to place is called dash house, permanent house. Number 2. Houses not fixed at one place are called dash house. What will be the answer? It is temporary house. Houses not fixed at one place are called temporary houses. So you have to write the temporary. Number 3. A dash is a floating house. What is a floating house called? It is called houseboat. A houseboat is a floating house. Number 4. Dash are made of canvas. What is canvas? Canvas is a thick cloth. So dash are made of canvas. What will be the answer? Yes, tents. Tents are made of canvas. Now come on to C. Match the following. First you will read column B. Okay. A. Temporary house. B. Polar region. C. Temporary house. First is, sorry, A. Permanent house. B. Polar house. C. Temporary house. Right? Now we will read the column 1 and match the match the following. We will match tent with permanent house. Yes, that means you will write 1 beside permanent house. Write down 1 beside permanent house. Tent is matched to permanent house. 2 is bungalow. Bungalow will be matched to what? Permanent house. That is A. Write 2 beside permanent house. Write 2 beside permanent house. Number 3. Igloo. What is igloo? Igloo, here you have to match with polar region. Igloo, polar region. Beside polar region, you will write 3. Now come on to turn the page. Turn the page. Come on to F. Identify the following. Okay. So, first one, see the picture. You have to see the picture and identify. Okay, what type of house it is. You have to write it, label it. First picture is of what type of house? That is stilt house. Yes, it is stilt house. S-T-I-L-T, stilt, H-O-U-S-E. Next one. Can you see the picture? What is that? Identify. This is Will Caravan. Will, W-H-E-L, Will Caravan. C-A-R-A-V-A-N. Write down. Number 3. See the picture and identify what type of house it is. This is bungalow. B-U-N-G-A-L-O-W. Bungalow. Okay, written. Now, value corner. Take the correct answer. Now, read the story. Arati lives in a kacha house. Due to heavy rainfall, her house is damaged. Her friend Priyanka requests her mother to give a tent to Arati for a few days. Which value is shown by Priyanka? What type of attitude Priyanka has? See, 3 options are given. A. Care. B. Selfishness. And C is teamwork. Teamwork will be teamwork is wrong answer because there is no team. Only there is Priyanka. Okay. And next is selfishness. No, she is not selfish. Priyanka is not a selfish girl. And the first one is care. Yes, Priyanka is a caring girl. She wants to give a tent to Aarti. She wants to help Aarti. She spreads her hands to Aarti. Okay, so she is a caring girl. The answer will be A. Care. Put a tick mark on care. Okay. Next thing is, students, Page number 60. As I have told you, again I am telling you that on page number 60 you can see activity. I have given homework and that you have to do in scrap copy. Where you will do? In scrap copy. What you have to do? Name the things needed to the building. Name the things needed to build these houses. Okay. So what you will do? You have to draw these houses and you have to draw the lines, and then you have to draw all these things that is given in the help box. Like for the kacha house, you have to draw. The 3 lines are given. No, on the 3 lines you have to draw. Okay, draw and write. What you will draw here? You have to draw bamboo. Okay, for the kacha house, the material that is needed needed to build the kacha house are bamboo, then straw and clay. This thing you have to draw here and write beside it. Do you understand? You have to draw. On the first line you will draw bamboo. You will write bamboo, BAMBOO. Next you will draw straw. See, you will see and draw from the box and write. In the third you have to draw clay and color it. You must color it. Drawing without color I don't like. You have to color after sketch. So clay. And now you will draw in another page. On the another page you will draw this pakka house. Okay, and before that you will write the date and next the chapter name. Okay, all these things you have to write. Then you will start doing this activity. So your topic will be materials to build houses. Your topic will be material to build houses. Okay, this one is your topic. Then you will start doing. For the pakka house, after drawing pakka house, you will draw lines. Okay, and then what you will draw there? Bricks. First, on the first line you will draw bricks. On the second line you will draw steel rods. Okay, and the third one is cement. These 3 you have to draw here. Okay, where you will do this thing, this activity, you will do this activity in your scrap copy. Do you understand? This is for the scrap copy. This activity for the scrap copy. Okay, and now the activity or drawing for your classwork copy. That is draw, color and label. Where you will write the question answer of this chapter, there you will write this. There you will draw this beside the writing on the white page you have to draw. Okay, that is, first one is kacha house. You have to draw kacha house and write below that kacha house. Second is bungalow, and the third one is a temporary house. Any one temporary house you have to draw. So 3 drawings for classwork copy, beside where you will write question answer of this chapter, of the chapter 13. And the activity given on page number 60 that you will do in the scrap copy. I hope you will complete this. Okay, next day I will give you question answers of this chapter. Okay, so this is what for today, students. The class ends here. Complete your work today only. Tomorrow I will give something more from this chapter. Okay, so goodbye.